let's take a look at your Prelab and what you have to do for it. The first part asks you to draw a diagram connecting appropriate pins for a circuit that has 4 2-input NAND gates. So I'm not going to do exactly the circuit you have here, but I'll do one like it. So let's say I have 2 inputs, A and B, and I have, guess I'll have a NAND gate, and I guess that's the same there. And NAND gate there. And a NAND gate there. And a NAND gate there, and have that be my function. Make sure this is not exactly the same. It's not. Okay, so in order to do this, we'll need to take a look at the data sheet for the 7.4, I think it's SL is the one we have, chip. So let's see, we've got that right here. And we can remind ourselves of the way that the NAND gate works. If it's a 2-input NAND gate, that if either of the inputs is low, then the output will be high. So it's not AND. So AND would be if they're both high, then you would get, if they're both 1, then the AND of that is 1, but this is not AND. So as long as either one of the inputs is low, and the output is low. And then here is the chip layout. Where A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. So I'll just put this over here so we've got it. And we just need one of them for this one. Actually, I'll put it down here and we'll use it for our actual diagram. So then if we look at our chip, it has 4 NAND gates, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and so we only need 1 chip, and so we don't need to on this one, but if we were using more than 1 chip, we might label which chip these were coming on. And then you can just decide which actual gates you want to use for each of these. So for instance, I'll use for this first one, I'll use 1. So this will be 1A and 1B, and the output will be 1Y. And I'll use 3 for this one. So this will be 3A and 3B and 3Y. And then I'll use 2 for this one. So 2A and 2B, 2Y. And then 4 for the last one. So 4A and 4B, 4Y. And then I'll say what pin numbers those are. So 1A is pin 1. One B is pin 2. You see right here, pin 2. So 1B is pin 2. 1Y is pin 3. 3A is pin 9. 3B is pin 10. 3Y is pin 8. And 2B is 5. It's too wide. and 2A is 4. 2Y is 6. 4A is 12. 4B is 13. And 4Y is 11. So now if I want to draw the actual connection for the pins, first I will do, I need to have pin 7 to ground. So I'll just call this ground. And I need to have pin 14 to VCC. And then, based on the circuit that I drew up here, I have A and B. And A and B are going into 1A. So A is going into pin 1 and pin 4. So and then pin B is going to 2 and 10. Oh wait, A, did I go to, yeah, A went to 1 and 4. And B goes to 2, 10, and 13. Look at what I did. I put so A goes to 1 and 4. There we go. Alright, and then uh, 3 goes to 9. So right here, I see 3 goes to 9. and goes to 9, and 8 goes to 5. Six goes to 12. And 11 goes to F, our output. And that's how you do that. So is there anything else to this problem? What do with the original question? Draw a diagram connecting appropriate pins. Yep, okay, so that's that.